Robots that cook gourmet meals, assist in surgeries, or even perform precise tasks in outer space. Once science fiction, these scenarios are quickly becoming reality. Have we reached the dawn of a fully automated era, or are we just scratching the surface? Let's find out. Welcome back to Brought to you by AI. Today, we're exploring advanced robotics, the cutting-edge machines poised to redefine every industry, from manufacturing and healthcare to household chores. Robotics technology has come a long way since the first assembly line robot arms, but where is it heading next? Will robots soon handle tasks we never thought possible, or even challenge our concept of a human-only workspace? In the next few minutes, we'll discover what's fueling this wave of automation, how robots are transforming daily life, and what the future may hold. A brief history and evolution. The roots of robotics can be traced back to simple mechanical automatons centuries ago. However, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that industrial robots began automating repetitive tasks on factory floors. Early models were bulky, expensive, and limited in their capabilities, but they set the stage for modern robotics. Today, we have robots that can operate autonomously, integrate with AI for real-time decision-making, and adapt to changing environments. Thanks to advancements in materials science and computing power, these machines are becoming both more affordable and more versatile, creating exciting possibilities for businesses and consumers alike. Key technologies driving robotics. Robots depend on a host of advanced technologies. Sensors, like LiDAR and high-resolution cameras, give machines a detailed understanding of their surroundings. Actuators and motors allow them to move with fluidity or exert precise force. Sophisticated control algorithms enable them to learn and refine their actions over time. And let's not forget AI. Machine learning and deep neural networks empower robots to recognize objects, plan routes, and even respond to human emotions. In healthcare, surgical robots guided by AI can perform minimally invasive operations with sub-millimeter precision, lowering recovery times and complication risks. Meanwhile, collaborative robots, or cobots, work alongside people on assembly lines, adapting to human speed and safety needs. All of these innovations blend to create robots that are not just tools, but interactive partners. Real-world applications. From self-driving delivery drones dropping packages at your doorstep to autonomous farming equipment tending crops, advanced robotics is already around us. Warehouses deploy entire fleets of mobile robots to sort and transport goods, reducing errors and speeding up order fulfillment. In the hospitality sector, robot bartenders craft custom drinks, while automated food prep stations handle everything from slicing vegetables to plating gourmet dishes. Even at home, devices like robotic vacuum cleaners and lawnmowers have taken routine chores off our to-do lists. Taken together, these trends point to a future where robots are less about clunky, specialized machines and more about seamless integration into everyday life. Challenges and ethical considerations. Yet the journey to a fully automated society isn't without hurdles. High development costs, complex regulations, and cybersecurity threats can slow adoption. There's also the persistent fear that robots will replace human jobs, though many experts argue they'll instead shift the job market toward new, AI-focused roles. Ethical questions arise, too. Should robots care for the elderly or tutor children, and how do we ensure accountability if something goes wrong? As robots grow more autonomous, balancing innovation with responsible oversight becomes critical. Conclusion. Advanced robotics stands at the crossroads of imagination and reality, shaping industries and everyday life faster than we ever thought possible. Will we see a future where robots handle the majority of our labor, or will they mainly serve as powerful helpers, enhancing our capabilities? Share your take in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please subscribe for more AI-driven insights. This has been Brought to you by AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.